Hello friends, welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to continue our work with chaining.
Materials.
Today you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. Go ahead and grab your materials and let's get started. We have 3 learning targets today. Our first one is I can segment, take apart, and blend, put together, consonant, vowel, consonant words with the sounds p, a, n, v, and th. Our second learning target is I can write the letters that match the sounds P, A, N, M, V, and the digraph TH. And finally, our third learning target is I can read and spell vowel consonant and consonant vowel consonant words with the sounds p, a, n, v, th, s, and z.
Song.
Sit down and come together, together, together. Sit down and come together, together right now. It's time to make 3 sounds and blend them together. Let's listen to each sound now and blend them to make a word.
Sounds.
We will make words using the sounds that we know. Listen as I do the first one. Watch me as I tap out the sounds using my thumb and my fingers. Our first word is an. I blend the sounds together and I get an. Try it with me. An. Listen to our next word. An. We blend it, van. Try this one with me. An. Van. We have one more word. Listen closely. An. Man. Did you hear each individual sound? And then the word when you blended those sounds together? Try that one with me. An. Man.
Transition song.
Now it's time to match these sounds to their letters and write them. Now it's time to match these sounds to their letters. Let's go.
Writing.
Now you will write the letters that match the sounds we hear. You are going to need your finger to skywrite the letters with me. Our first word is van. Tap it with me. An. Van. Our first letter is V. That makes the sound V. To write the lowercase v, you start at that middle dotted line, slant down, slant up. Next, in the word van, we have an A. A. Let's get it. Here we go. It starts like a C. Pull back and around, up and down. Are you skywriting with me? Let's write our final letter. An. We need a lowercase n to make the n sound. We start at that middle dotted line, pull down, up, over, and down. Let's tap the whole word together one more time and then blend those sounds together. An. van.
Articulatory gestures.
At the end of the word path and math, what sound do you hear? It is the th sound, and that is made by the letters TH. I mentioned before, TH is a digraph. It's two letters that come together to make one sound. You can try making the th sound using your tongue peeking through your teeth and using your breath. Try it with me.
Transition song.
Now it's time to decode words using the letter sound connections. Now it's time to decode words. Be careful, watch for a change.
Writing.
Go ahead and grab your piece of paper and your pencil for this part of the lesson. Our first word is pan. Pan. Go ahead and write this first word on your paper. Let's check over to make sure you have each letter to match the sound that we hear. You can tap it with me or point to the letter on your paper as we sound it out together. An. Blend it, pan. Let's take a peek at our next word. What do you notice? What has changed? You've got it. There is an S at the end of this word. Let's tap it out to see what word we created. Pans. Here is our last word. What has changed this time? That's right. We replaced the S with the ending TH. Remember that TH is a digraph and that TH work together to say th. Try that again with me. Th. Let's tap out the whole last word to see what we have. Path. Great work, friends. Now, I am going to give you a word, and I want you try to spell it from your memory. Don't forget that you can tap out the sounds in the word, listen to those sounds, and then write the letters that match. Let's get ready. The word is man. Say it with me. Man. Go ahead and try writing the word. Let's check over your work. The word man is spelled M-A-N. Those three letters match the sounds an, man. Let's try another one. The word is pans. Say that with me. Pans. Go ahead and try writing the word pans, and you can tap out the sounds to help you. Okay, let's check over your writing. The word pans is spelled P-A-N-S. All right, finally, we have one more word. This time, I want you to listen closely to the sounds in the word path. Go ahead and say it with me. Path. You can tap out the sounds and then write the letters that match. Go ahead. Let's take a peek at your writing. The word path is spelled P-A-T-H. Those letters match the sounds P, A, Th, path. Fantastic job!
Closing reflection.
When we end our learning, it is always a good idea to pause and celebrate all of the work you did to become a stronger reader. What did you practice today to help you become a more proficient reader? You did great work matching sounds to letters and then making words. I can't wait to continue reading and writing with you next time. Bye, friends.